So we're going to dive right in. Right off the bat, we're going to go ahead and open up Excel. And the first thing what we want to do is open up a blank workbook, and we need to get our developer tab. That's the very first thing you need to do as a developer or programmer. So the quickest way to do that, or one of the ways to do that, is click on the File menu. This works in Excel 2007 and 10 as well as 13 right here. You're going to go to Options, and you're going to go to the Customize ribbon. And we need to select the Developer tab, which is unchecked by default because most people aren't programmers, and then hit OK. Now you have the Developer tab. Just a few things about this Developer tab. When you click on it, we're going to get a lot more in depth into that later in this course. But there's a lot of cool things you can do. You can get into the Visual Basic Editor from here. I prefer to use the keyboard shortcut Alt F11. You can also view your current macros in the workbook by hitting Alt F8. You can record macro, adjust your macro security. You can insert different form controls, or I prefer ActiveX controls, such as a button. Let's just show you that. Let's click and drag a button, and boom, you have a command button. And you can take it in and out of design mode. Let's take it off of design mode so you can click on the button. Later we'll show you how to add commands to buttons and all other kinds of ActiveX controls. But that's just a little bit about the Developer tab.